Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Reshine Wigs. Okay, guys, so this is my first time working with this vendor. Y'all already know from the thumbnail. This is another pre-cut unit. Y'all already know how the wig industry do. They take something and they run it to death until y'all don't want to buy it no more. So right now, they running these pre-cut units. I ain't mad at it because you know what? It makes my job a lot easier. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unit I'm reviewing today. All right, so this is the unit that I'm reviewing. It's a curly unit. I think it's a curly unit. Honestly, I really don't know the difference between deep wave, curly, tomato. They all kind of look the same to me. But in any event, as I mentioned, it's a pre-cut unit. Let me go ahead and show y'all this hairline. As you guys can see, it is pre-plucked. I don't know if it's bleached, but if it's not, the knots are very light. So it's not going to be bleached. Yeah, they look good enough to add some concealer to the parting space and go on about our business. So let's go ahead and try this on. Oh wait, real quick, before I try it on, let me show you guys the cap construction. So I believe this is a 6 by 4.5. So this is how much parting space you're going to get on this unit. It does has an adjustable elastic band, and there are no combs on this wig cap. So if you're a fan of combs, you can either sew in your own wig combs or you could use bobby pins. Okay, now let's try it on. Okay, Reshine, not bad. Especially since I haven't even added any concealer to it yet. It's definitely giving. This hairline is giving. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the parting space. So you do have some room to part this on the side if you would like to do a side part. Of course, you can just keep the middle part, and this is how far back it goes. So it goes far back a pretty good amount. Let me go ahead and add some concealer and let's really see what it's giving. Now to put the wig back on. Add some mousse. The placement right on my forehead. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna spray it on my hand and just dab the lace. Some conditioner and water. Let me add my foundation back to my forehead. Let me put my earrings on. Okay, guys, I added my earrings. You know the earrings provide the final look. So, guys, this is what this unit is looking like. This is a really quick 5-minute install, okay? Let me tell y'all. Even the hair is dry already. This hair dried super quick. I mean, I didn't drench it, but it was pretty damn, and it dried really quickly. So, what are my thoughts? Okay, here go my thoughts. All right, now, y'all already know I've given you the pros and cons with these pre-cut units. I really would like to know your thoughts. Do you guys think this is here to stay? Because y'all really go crazy over certain units. Y'all drill it to death and then y'all don't care about it anymore. Let's put a RIP to the headband wig. Y'all was just so crazy over them and they're gone with the wind. Now, do I think these units are super easy? Yes, they are. Do they make my job easier? Yes, they do. Do I love them for that? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, so that's my thoughts is that I love them for it. I left the lace on this time. You guys know previously I'll go ahead and cut the lace off. This lace is not bad. You know, it actually blends pretty decent. Of course, I'm under the lights of the studio, so it is amplified more. But in regular living conditions, you're not really gonna see the difference in this lace. Personally, I am going to cut this lace down to the length that I am used to installing my units with. However, if you're a beginner, it's simply fine if you keep the lace. No one's gonna be really like clocking you like that. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a wig, right? Let's keep it in perspective. It's gonna wig. This wig has lace, okay? And when we know it's a wig, we know it's gonna have lace. So regardless, if somebody's really clocking you, they're gonna clock you. I don't care how clear your lace is. Now, for the convenience, yes, we love them for that. Now for the curls. Now, like I said, this is my first time viewing this unit. However, I have been checking out their curls and I really do like their curl pattern. These curls are very pretty, aren't they? Come on now. Y'all have to get into that. Get into the curls, okay? These curls are nice. I don't know what length it is, but I'm going to stand up really quick so you can get an idea with how far it falls on me. It's a pretty long length. It actually seems like it's a little bit longer after I wet it than when I originally took it out the package. Of course, this is curly or wavy hair. When you straighten it, it is going to get longer. So that's one of the things you always have to be mindful about when picking the lengths for your curly units. And this unit is still technically glueless, even though I dabbed some of the melting spray. It's not enough to like take out your edges or anything, and as you can see, it easily lifts up and lays back down. So I went ahead and I cut the lace, and as you guys can see, almost invisible now, just simply because I cut that extra lace. Now listen up. If one of y'all hair companies could master cutting this lace shorter to where it's barely there, y'all gonna be on to something. I mean, y'all on to something now. Y'all on to something now. All right, I'm gonna give y'all props. But, baby, this lace is really good. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I've reviewed a pre-cut unit where I cut the lace and it still was not blending. Like, I struggled with that lace. This is actually a really good lace because all I did was cut a little bit more of the lace, and like y'all can see, this is glueless, and it's glueless without even adding any mousse. If I add the mousse, it's gonna melt even more, and it's glueless and it's easy. I mean, really, what's not to love at this point? I'm not really sure what the price point of this unit. However, I am going to see if they do have a coupon code for me. I will put it across the screen for you guys. And I'm also having it linked in the description box down below, along with everything used to install this unit. But of course, before we get out of here, I'm going to need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that family button, aka follow button, and join the fam. And while you're at it, Lord have mercy. And while you're at it, why don't you check out this video? You might find it useful as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy.